the Governor of Rivers State, Sir Similai Fubara, represented by the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice, Professor Zacchaeus Adango, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Chief Nyesom Mezenwa-Wike, Life Bencher, the Chief Judge of Rivers State, the Honorable Justice Chibuzo Simeon Amadi, my former colleague as a magistrate, the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, ably represented, the Administrator of the Justice Mary Odili Judicial Institute, the Honorable Justice Anguri Ken Chikere, my learned former colleagues, the judges of Rivers State and magistrates, learned senior advocates, anchored, if I may use the media parlance, by Chief OCJ Okocha, Chairman of the PortHarcourt Bar, Sir Victor Benibo, my learned friends of the bar, Chairman of the Young Lawyers Forum of PortHarcourt, and other counsel from other jurisdictions, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is a wonderful gathering of personages, mostly of lawyers, and the military personnel also gathered here with us. The theme of the summit is apt: breaking barriers to create leaders from now to the future generation. My slant has to do with mentoring. The body of benchers right now is very focused on mentoring, but it has to do with 0 to 7 years. But I do know that learning has no bar, because I come from a village that has an adage that when you wake up, that is your morning. So you can learn at any time and from other persons. And so there's no limit to learning. After your graduation, the LLB, PhD, and the call to bar, then starts the proper learning in the university of the world. It was with a great surprise that I saw when the minister of the FCT walked in. He's a man who entered the foray of politics very early in life, but he never left his professional career as a lawyer, knowing that with the law he had the weapon and the shield to conquer challenges and shield himself when attacked. In this forum today, we have a lot of role models. The Chief Judge of Rivers State and the current Chairman of the State Independent Electoral Commission, the Honorable Justice Adolfo Senebeli, the Honorable Justice Chikere, and many others who are here. But my attention is focused on OCJ Okocha. I never stop using him as an example. His trajectory in the legal profession is a book worth reading. As he entered the legal profession, I happen to have the privilege and advantage of being his senior at the bar. And so I can tell his story. You know, it is only your elder sister or elder brother that can depose to an affidavit of your age. And that is the position I occupy. He came from day one, entered into the legal profession, the bar became his territory. As tall as he is, he was humble enough to take on every assignment given to him. He was master of ceremony in anything concerning the law, and was our master of ceremony when we inaugurated the women lawyers in PortHarcourt. All this he did pro bono, and he did with a lot of cheerfulness and happiness, and never complained. You can go to him anytime to ask questions. I know for sure he will happily oblige and will tell it to you straight, truthfully as it is. You will learn a lot from interacting with OCJ Okocha. You need him to grow and to achieve your breaking of the gap barriers to attaining your greatness. We have something in common, which I only realized a few years ago. Recitation. He acquired prizes in recitation. I too, in my village school and in my district, was the first prize winner in recitation. But OCJ used his own in advocacy, and the monies rolled in. I didn't need that gift on the bench because the litigants and the lawyers only wanted to know who won the case, who is accused, who is guilty, and who is innocent. And in civil matters, did the plaintiff win or did the case get dismissed? You didn't need recitation. And so OCJ, for me, is our role model of today and a study if any lawyer wants to get to the top. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, fora such as this are necessary. And as the keynote speaker pointed out, various areas, the maintenance culture, the culture to get things done, even if it is not assigned to you as a duty. What he spoke of should be a lesson for us to take home. And I am happy and privileged that I stand before you not as a young lawyer, but one of the ancients. Thank you, and God bless you.